Why export your health data?
Exporting your health data from chronic disease management apps can help your doctor better understand your condition and treatment progress. Sharing this information during appointments provides a more complete health picture, supports accurate diagnosis, and leads to more personalized care decisions. Many apps offer ways to export data, making it easy to bring important details to your healthcare team.
Finding the export feature in your app.
Start by navigating to the Settings or Data Management section of your chronic disease app. Most apps have an option labeled Export, Share Data, or Download. You may find this in the main menu or under Profile or Account settings. If you are unsure where to look, check the app's Help or Support section for specific instructions.
Choosing a file format.
When exporting your data, you may be asked to choose a file format like PDF, CSV, or Excel. PDFs are easy to read and print, while CSV or Excel files can be analyzed further if needed. Consider asking your doctor's office what format works best for them to ensure seamless sharing and clear communication.
Exporting and saving your data.
Follow your app's prompts to complete the export process. Some apps will email the file to you, download it directly to your device, or allow you to upload it to a secure portal. Make sure to save the file somewhere easily accessible, such as your phone, computer, or a cloud drive, so you can quickly access it before your appointment.
Sharing data with your doctor.
So bring your exported data to your appointment, either printed or on your device. Some doctors may accept emailed files in advance or let you upload data to a patient portal. Share your key findings with your provider and highlight trends, such as blood sugar levels or symptom changes. This helps make your visit more efficient and focused on your needs.